Step one is to get on a good base coat onto your piece of furniture. We're making a little console table here, a sofa table, whatever. This piece did not require a primer. So I'm just putting on the first coat of, this is a mixture of Hurricane Gray and Manatee Gray. I mixed them together. Okay. My thing is to get this paint on as fast as possible, then I can clean up the strokes and make it really pretty. To keep misting the paint so it stays active. Sometimes doing a table like this, especially since there's a cutout in the middle, makes this a little difficult. So I have to keep this paint moist until I get it on all the way around. And then I can come back and do the long stroking down, which will make it look really pretty. Now this is the first coat, so it doesn't have to be as perfect as the second coat's gonna be. In fact, the second coat will go on a lot easier. And as you can see, I'm using a mister bottle, which is, to me, the key of having a great paint experience is using your mister bottle to keep that paint wet and active. Otherwise, it's going to dry and you're going to see stroking. Now, being this is just the first coat, I'm going to finish this up, and then I'll take more time on the second coat to get it perfect and touch up the side. So now I'm just going to come back.
And now you're smoothing out the brush strokes?
Yes, getting them nice and pretty. You need to stand somewhere where you can see the light so you can see your brush strokes. You know, so you can see them. Otherwise, once it's dry, you're stuck with whatever you've got there. Having a cutout here doesn't make this as easy.
So this is a custom Dixie Belle color.
Yes. Two grays mixed together. One was too light, one was too dark, and I wanted to have it look a little richer. So I mixed it, and the nice thing about Dixie Belle is because we have 69 colors, you can come up with thousands of color choices by mixing the paints to come out with what you want. Okay, I'm gonna just let that dry, and then I can come back and do my second coat, and then we're going to do some embellishing on it.